Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today already we have started dealing with multiplication, and today is the continuation of the same chapter, multiplication. We are going to learn multiplication without carrying. Already we learned properties of multiplication and revised some concepts which you have learned in the class 2. Now these are the multiplications without carrying. Find the product. Product is nothing but the answer you get after multiplication. Find the product of 123 and 3. 123 multiplied by 3. You need to be thorough with all the tables. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. The product is 369. 102 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 zeros are 0. Never write 0 4s are 4. 4 zeros are 0. And 4 ones are 4. 408 is the product of 102 and 4. Multiply 234 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. This is multiplying a 3-digit number with a single digit number without carrying. Now we are going with 4-digit number multiplication by a single digit number without carrying. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 1032 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. 3 ones are 3. 3096 is the answer. 1342 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 2684 is the answer. 2021 into 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8. 8084 is the answer. Now multiply 232 by 3. That means 232 should be multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 696 is the answer. Multiply 2034 by 2. 2034 into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4. 4068 is the product of 2034 and 2. So we have dealt only here 2, 3, 4 tables as we should not get carrying numbers. This is without carrying. So you should be thorough with the tables when you deal with multiplications. Multiplications with carrying. $568 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. Plus 1. In 16, 1's place should be kept in the 1's place and 10's place should be carried to the 10's place. 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 3. Carry over 1. 13. 2 6s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 in the 10's place and 1 should be carried to the 100's place. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 1136 is the answer. $763 into 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 in the carry 1 to the 10's place, 8 in the 1's place. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37, 3. 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45, 4,578. $805 into 5. Always start multiplying from the ones place digit only. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 zeros are 0, plus 2, 2. Don't write 5 twos are 10. Carry over number should never be multiplied, it should only be added. 5 zeros are 0, plus 2, 2 is in the tens place. 5 eights are 40, 4025 is the answer. In the same way, multiplication with a 4-digit number with a single digit number. $4,038 into 4. 4, always start multiplying with a ones place digit only. 4 eights are 32, carry 3. 2 in the ones place, carry 3. 4 threes are 12, plus 3. 13, 14, 15. Carry over number should only be added, it should never be multiplied. 4 threes are 12 plus 3, 15. 1 in the hundreds place, 5 in the tens. 4 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 4 fours are 16. 16,152. $3,456 into 7. 7 6 are 42, carry 4 here. 7 5s are 35 plus 4, 39. 9 in the tens, 3 in the hundreds. 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31. 1 in the hundreds, 3 in the thousands. 7 threes are 21 plus 3, 24. 24,192 is the answer. $5,109 into 3. 5,109 into 3. Start multiplying with the ones place digit. 3 9s are 27, carry 2. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2. Don't multiply 3 into 2. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. 15,327. These are multiplications with a single digit number by carrying. Here already we have learnt multiplying by a single digit number. This is multiplying by 2-digit number. The multiplicand may be 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit, but multiplier is a 2-digit number. We are multiplying with a 2-digit number. So always start multiplying with a one place digit only. In the multiplier also you have to consider only ones place digit. Close this. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 96, 32 multiplied by 3. Now close this. When you multiply by a tens place digit, always put the product from the tens place only. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now add both the products. 6, 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1, 6 plus 7. This is only without carrying. 32 multiplied by 23. That is without carrying we have dealt 2-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. Now we are going to multiply a 2-digit number 64 with 35. So find the product. This is a 2-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number with carrying. So you have to be very careful. 64 into 35. First start multiplying with the ones place digit in the multiplier by which you multiply. Take the ones place digit. 5 fours are 20. Carry 2 to the tens place. 5 6 are 30 plus 2. 32, 320, 64 multiplied by 5. This is already added, cancel. Now, close this, 64 multiplied by 3 so that you don't have any confusion. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12, carry 1. 3 6 are 18, plus 1, 192. So, 2 should be kept in the when you multiply by a tens place digit, the product should be started from the tens place only. 3 fours are 12, put in the tens place, and 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. 2 plus 2 4, 9 plus 3 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. 2240 is the product of 64 and 35. And here 56 into 29. So start with 9 and 6, both ones place digits. Close this tens place digit. 9 6 are 54, carry 5. 9 5s are 45 plus 5, 50, 504. Next, start multiplying with the tens place digit. Close this. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1 here. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. Sorry. 2 6 are 12. Put in the tens place. Carry 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 4, 0 plus 2, 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 1624 is the product of 56 and 29. In the same way, let us go with a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Find the product. $345 into 26. A 3-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. So start multiplying with the ones place. 6 5s are 30. Carry 3 to the tens. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. Carry 2 here. Hundreds place is there. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20. We have added this, cancel. Now multiply 345 by the tens place digit 2. 2 5s are, start putting from the tens place only. When you multiply with the tens place digit, you have to start putting the product from the tens place. Just here is a symbol. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 3s are 6. 0, 7 plus 0, 7. 0 plus 9, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 8,970 is the answer. $216 into 45. So a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. 5 6 are 30. Ones place 2 with ones, all the 3 digits. 5 6 are 30. 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8. 5 twos are 10, 1080. Now put a symbol over here, is added, and now multiply this, the whole number 216 with 4. 4 6 are 24. Start putting in the tens place. Carry 2. 4 ones are 4 plus 2. 6. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 4 12. 6 plus 1 7. 8 plus 1 9. 9720 is the product of 216 and 45. One hundred and 86 into 36. Multiply with the ones place digit. The whole number should be multiplied by 6 first. 186 by 6. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3 to the tens place. 6 in the ones. 6 8s are 48 plus 3. 49 50 51. Carry 5. 1 here. 6 ones are 6 plus 5. 7 8 9 10 11. Put the ones place digit vacant when you multiply by a tens place digit. These are added, cancel. 3 into 6. Multiply 186 by 3. 3 6 are 18. Carry 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1. 25. Carry 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 5. 8 plus 1 9. 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 1 6. 6696 is the product of 186 and 36. So there is no confusion multiplying by a 3-digit or 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Karthik. Yes, children, we are dealing with word problems on multiplication now. So you went to a shop and you want to buy 5 pens, and shopkeeper told that the cost of pen is 15 rupees. So how much money you need to pay to the shopkeeper? How many pens you need? 5 pens, and cost of each pen is 15. So what do? You have to multiply by 15 by 5. That is 1 too many. Cost of 1 is given. You are asked to find the cost of many. 1 too many is always multiplication. So you need 75 rupees to buy 5 pens. So here also a problem on multiplication only. See, a box contains 36 cakes. One box contains 36 cakes. How many cakes are there in 45 boxes? Find the number of cakes in 45 boxes. So number of cakes in one box, what is given? Number of cakes in one box. How many are there? 36. How many boxes are there? Number of boxes is equal to 45. 45. Number of boxes is equal to 45. What you have to find out? Number of cakes in 45 boxes. One box 36, 45 boxes, you have to find number of cakes. 1 too many. Multiplication. So 36 multiplied by 45. 5 6 are 30, carry 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 3. 18, 180. Now put ones place digit vacant when you multiply by the tens place. 4 6 are 24. 2, carry 2. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12 plus 2, 14. A 0, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 1 bring down. Thousands place, there is no digit to be added. 1. So number of cakes in 45 boxes is 1620. In this way you can find out, you can solve problems on multiplication. A maths textbook has 534 pages. How many pages will be there in 8 such textbooks? So first write always what is given. What is given? Number of pages in a maths textbook. Number of pages in a maths textbook. How many? 534. And how many books you have? Number of books 8. What you have to find out? Number of pages in 8 maths books. First, what is given? Number of pages in a maths textbook. One book has 534 pages. How many pages should be there in 8 such books? So, in how many books total you have to find out the number of pages? 8 books. Number of books is 8. Number of pages in 8 maths books. That is equal to 534 into 8. 534, one book. Too many books. Multiplication. 8 fours are 32. 3 carry over 3. 8 threes are 24 plus 3, 27. 8 fives are 40 plus 2, 42. 4,272 pages will be there in 8 maths textbooks. So number of pages in 8 maths books is equal to 4,272. Children, there are many problems are there in the exercises that can be solved in the textbook itself from page number 72 to 82. So you can solve all these problems in the textbook itself and you can get a lot of practice. First, be thorough with the tables and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.